Hi, I'm Paul Hutchinson. Welcome to the first of many episodes on pistol shooting. Hopefully what we're going to do is over the course of each and every episode, we're going to look at the fundamental basics, then we're going to move on to more real world techniques. We're going to develop, so it's actually for everyone. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner, it doesn't matter whether you're advanced, it's irrelevant. It's always good to go back to basics, and fundamentally, if the basics aren't there, then it doesn't matter what we try to do outside of that. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring two worlds together that a lot of people say that they shouldn't. In that, what I mean is that I want to look at the practical pistol or competition shooting and the techniques and drills that they use, and I want to combine that into the real world. If you're a police officer or a military, special forces, close protection, it doesn't matter. Anyone who uses a weapon for all of the reasons of self-defense. So what we're going to do is I want to look at each episode. The first episode that we're going to go on to when we come to teaching the course is going to be with regards to grip. Then we're going to look at stance, then we're going to look at sight picture, then we're going to look at trigger squeeze, and then we're going to develop it and build it up and build it up. So hopefully you can get something from this. Now there's going to be a lot of arguments with regards to the pistol competition and the real world. Can I just explain a little bit from my point of view? I've done everything that I've done both operationally because of my teachings from a gentleman called Bob Dunkley. Now Bob was the UK subject matter expert in firearms and has been for the past 40 years. I was very fortunate at the age of 16. I met Bob. Bob took me under his wing, started to teach me how to shoot, and in my early 20s I joined the police and moved on after a career in the police. And what I've always been able to do is to build the techniques that Bob taught me as a pistol shooter and bring that into the real world, and it's served me well. So hopefully that's what we'll go through.